na Ghana ban ahye assembly office miensa esie ahye ewo from Mantam ne sente from Mantam swafo Dr. Archibald Lecha akwa pro ekohwese de edansie no esiko
aban no edi nhyehyeye egu akwam esi office nkokora edi ama assembly ahodo bi ewo ho ene kwando se okopie mu ewo Volta region na project a ekosui anosoafo no ene wo Volta region Dr. Archibald Lecha akopie mu wo ho ekohwese ne project no ekoso na bra okopie mu ewo ho no engineer ono ene da office project a wo mu esie ewo ho no Eugenia Ankama edi nsem sei ene to Adom News nsentwofo enim.
Currently we are 100% with the structural works, and then architectural finishes, we are around 60 to 70%. But for the external works, we are yet to touch them because of the rains issues and all of that. We do not want to start with it because the moment we start and the rain comes down, we are going to have a whole lot of issues, and then it's going to be a cost on the contractor.
Owie no osofo enso edi tudwa se aban no edi nhyehyeye egu akwam se ne project ya wo mo eye ebeko nanim.
You know, Ho and Pando have not had decent office accommodation for years. It was decided, Honorable Dambuche came around and we felt that Ho deserves a decent office accommodation, Ho Assembly, to befit the status of a municipal assembly. And then Pando also never had. So we made provision for Pando and Ho. And then we also, some of the assemblies who are small, and we want to do expansion. So we want to start with Afajato. So we are very grateful to His Excellency the President for agreeing to let this happen.